enjoying yourselves out there? Awesome.
Fuck yeah. Let's give it up for fucking Arthurian Shield. Fucking open up tonight. Let's give it up for those guys. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Let's give it up for our fucking friends in Circus fucking Grenade.
Circus Grenade!
Jump the ground, no. Fuck yeah. And fucking, of course, give it up for the almighty fucking Abigail Williams! Fuck yeah. This next song here is all about Arthur Shawcross. This one's called Floating and Bloating!